Are you struggling in the stock market? Ever wondered how big players always seem to win? The truth is, they use invisible moves that most traders never see. But today, I'm revealing one of these hidden strategies. Stay with me till the end. Welcome to Next Invisible Moves by Sunil, the channel where I uncover the smartest trading strategies to help you win in the market. If you want to trade smarter, hit that subscribe button right now. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications because I'll be sharing more hidden strategies every week. All right, let's get into today's powerful trading strategy, the smart money trap. This is a technique used by big players, institutions, and market makers to trick retail traders into buying or selling at the wrong time. Step 1. Identify liquidity zones. Big players need liquidity. They create false breakouts to trap retail traders. Look at this example. See how the price moves above resistance. Retail traders jump in, and then boom, the price crashes down. Step 2. Spot the fake move. Before you enter a trade, always check for high volume spikes and quick reversals. If a breakout happens without strong momentum, it's probably a trap. Step 3. Enter with smart money. Instead of following the herd, wait for confirmation. Once the fake move is over, enter in the opposite direction for high probability profits. Did you find this strategy helpful? If yes, smash that like button and comment strategy if you want me to reveal another hidden trading secret. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more powerful stock market insights every week. Stay smart, stay profitable. See you in the next video.